Hey there, folks. Navigating the ever-evolving landscape of open-source AI and machine learning libraries can feel like an overwhelming task, especially when you're juggling new releases, security patches, and integration needs. Today, we're diving into best practices for tracking and adapting to new updates, focusing specifically on AI and ML libraries like LiteLLM. So, whether you're part of a tech-savvy operations team or leading a cutting-edge AI project, stay tuned for some essential insights. Recently, several updates came out for LiteLLM and a development snapshot was released for Streamlit. These updates bring a host of features and changes, some of which might impact your ongoing projects. For instance, LiteLLM's version 1.95.0 update includes new functionalities like image signing and spend tracking, improvements in WebSocket traffic management, major UI overhauls, and more. Also, a release candidate version has emerged, bringing changes that may disrupt existing behavior, such as proxy configurations and pooled connection habits. As for Streamlit, they released a development version meant for testing purposes rather than production. It's a lot to digest, but knowing what these updates mean is crucial. So, why should businesses care about these releases? First off, it's about trust and security. With LiteLLM now signing its Docker images, you can ensure that the code you deploy is verified and trustworthy. However, to make this work, you'll need to automate your verification process using continuous integration (CI) pipelines. Then there's the operational side. Some updates introduce changes that might break existing functionalities. This means your team needs to be ready with regression tests and on-call support to handle unexpected issues. And last, we look at opportunities for cost control and feature improvements. New capabilities like spend tracking can offer valuable insights into resource utilization, which, when integrated effectively, could lead to better budget management as part of your observability stack. Let's break down the tech specifics in plain terms. Image signing is essentially like putting a wax seal on an envelope. It lets you know that what's inside hasn't been tampered with. LiteLLM is using a tool called cosign for this process. It's crucial for maintaining the integrity of what you're running in your pipelines. There's also talk of infrastructure changes like new methods for traffic routing and telemetry data. These are all about keeping your system responsive and secure. On the flip side, seeing phrases like breaking change means that some behaviors might not work the same way as before. So heads up to your dev team to address these in test environments first. In business terms, adapting to these updates means reducing risks and seizing new opportunities. Those who stay ahead of these changes are more likely to secure their software supply chains and leverage new features that can provide a competitive edge. Image signing, for instance, ensures that your software hasn't been altered, reducing the risk of unauthorized modifications. And new features like spend tracking in LiteLLM allow for more effective budget management, integral for any business looking to optimize its AI investments. However, with great power comes great responsibility and cost. Implementing comprehensive sea changes like these isn't free. Your engineering team will spend more time ensuring the stability and security of updates, not just in development but also during their deployment. You might also experience increased operational costs due to more extensive testing routines and additional C/CD resource consumption. Security risks remain a concern, especially if new features inadvertently open up vulnerabilities. Regular audits and robust access control measures must be a part of your strategy when integrating these updates into your existing systems. Our recommendation here at Kimbodo is clear. Automate the verification of image signatures with pinned public keys in your C pipelines, and stage potentially disruptive changes behind feature flags to cushion any impact on production systems. Pay attention to emerging features like spend tracking and implement them early into your observability tools to extract quick value that aligns with broader financial goals. Lastly, ensure any development builds remain strictly within testing environments until formally promoted. Feeling uncertain about what these updates mean for your infrastructure? At Kimbodo, we've built a solution for businesses facing this exact challenge. Try out our Estimate My Infrastructure tool, available on our website, to get a quick insight into how you can implement these recommendations efficiently within your organization. And, as always, for a deep dive, you can find the complete article on Kimbodo.com. Thanks for tuning in, and stay adaptive out there.